Hey everyone, Corvus here. Welcome to this quick tip video. This video will be about gluing two very fine plastic bits to each other. What I noticed in the past that sometimes I had some difficulties. You put a dab of plastic glue on there, you put on the other bit and it slides off, and I think we've all been there. So I'm just assembling this the Chaos Space Marine Sorcerer, and it has this small bit of a heavier bit here on the top of this staff. So I thought it was a great opportunity to show you how I tackle such a problem. It's very easy, so it's going to be a very quick video. Of course, you can do this with any kind of plastic glue. I do this with the Revel plastic glue, which has this pin here on the top. What I basically do is I put a very small amount. I mean, less is more here. Really just have some paper tissue here. I make a small glob of paint here, remove it, and then very carefully just along the edges. This is even a bit too much at this point. I'm going to use my finger to wipe it off. Put it on one side, and then on the other side of the bit do exactly the same. Less is more, not too much. This is a bit too much here on the side. You just want to cover a thin layer. You want to have a thin layer of glue on there, plastic glue. No globs of paint visible, and then wait 10-20 seconds, just the time I'm painting. I'm talking now. I mean, the time that I'm currently talking, just take that amount of time to let it cure a bit. What I usually do is I have several similar bits lined up, and I do them in a row. So we're now 20 seconds. What the plastic cement basically does is it dissolves the plastic. So that's what we're doing now. Just a small piece of plastic that's been dissolved now, just the surface, and just going to put these two together, press firmly, and voila, it is now already firmly in place. I can hold it like this, very firmly, because there's only a thin layer of plastic glue there, not a big glob. That's basically the trick. If you're really gluing large pieces of plastic together, for example, if you're assembling a monster or a vehicle, and you can really, especially if it's not visible, you can really put a good amount of glue in there to have the strength. But on a piece like this, it's not really required. So to wrap things up, I would like to repeat: just put a very small amount of glue on each side of the bit of the part that you want to glue together. Just let it set for 10-20 seconds, and then put it together, push a bit, and that's it. So that's all for this quick tip video. I hope you like the format, and the plan is to do in the future a bit more kind of these videos. Just you're working on the desk here, assembling this great kit here, the Space Marine Sorcerer, and I was in my mind already having this technique that I would like to show you, but now I had the opportunity. So the plan is for the future is just to have, if I come across a tip or some technique I want to share, I just quick and dirty grab the camera. No real special setup, just put my cell phone here on the tripod and film it and show it to you guys. So if you like this kind of videos and you're not yet a subscriber, I'd invite you to become a subscriber. And otherwise, press the like button here on the video, really helps out this channel. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye.